Morning, my dear ones. How are you? Are you all okay? So let's do the exercise on page number 36. Keep your book ready. Take your pencil. The pencils are all sharpened. Okay? Right. So let's begin. Page number 36. Okay? Take B. Answer orally, just leave it out. On which day Anita and her mother go out? Can you answer me? I cannot hear. Yes, they went out on a Sunday. Yes. And the title of the lesson also, on a Sunday it is. Yes. So come to the B section, that is, take the correct option. Let me take my book in my hand and I'll show you. Okay. Take this. B. Where is B? Yeah. Where is it? This is B. Okay. Now I'll read through it. You just look into your book. Okay. Mommy asked Anita to put on her dash and dash as it is very cold outside. Options are given here. Frock, sandals, jacket, boots. Which is the correct option? Yes, jacket and boots. So tick that column and write it there in the blank. Write down JACKET, jacket, and boots. BOOTS, boots. Second one. Anita loves her small. Is it the cat or the basket? Yes, Anita loves her small basket. BASKET. Tick the first column and write the answer there. Next one. C. Fill in the blanks. You got your books ready in front of you? Okay. Anita has never been to a... Where she has never been. Been means never had gone. Where she had never gone? Yes, to a bookshop. How do you spell bookshop? B-double-O. Double O means 2-O. K-S-H-O-P. Bookshop. Okay. Next one. Second one. The bookshop is dash, but it has many books. It has many books. But the bookshop is it big? Or? Yes, it is small. S-M-A-double-L. Double means, you know double? 2. Now, turn to page number 38. Doing words. What are they known as? Doing words. Yes, verb. What you do. Sit, stand, cry, eat, jump, skip, swim. All this are, there are many. Whatever we do. Talk, see, smile, then frown. Frown means showing a very angry face. That is frown. All these are, yes, actions. These are known as verb. Action, word is known, or doing word, whatever you do, right? Skip, jump, fall, all these are doing words. So there are some pictures given there. And the words are given in the little box there. First let us read that. At the right at the bottom, it's given fly, F-L-Y, fly, R-E-A-D, read, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, E-A-T, eat, and P-L-A-Y, play. So these are the words given there. And the pictures shown here. What's the first one? Yes. What is she doing? What is the doing word there? Eat. So write there, E-A-T, eat. Next one, sleep. Next, play and read. Next one, fly. Now let's move on to page number 39. Page number 39. There are some words given there and little dog is waiting there. First you have to what you have to do? You have to help Anita to reach the pet dog. Color the names of places. Now when you read all this, you will know which are the names of places that you have to color it in orange. Color it in orange. Now the names of persons. Names of persons means not your name, okay? It is like father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. All those are names of persons. And so this persons also come like under persons, dog, cat. All these are the names of each group of things, isn't it? Yeah. So for persons means like daddy, mommy, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, cousin, all this is. Right. So those are the names that you have to color it in orange. Names of places in orange, names of persons in green, and names of things. Now things means table, pencil, then what else? Yeah, tumbler, spoon, cup, saucer, chair, carpet, window, all these are things. So you have to find which are things, which are names of persons, which are names of places. I just read to you. Doctor, bus, sister, aeroplane, home, hospital, school, table, peacock, bridge, grandma, cat. Now in this, which are the places, you tell me? First we find the places. Yes. Which are the places? Home is a place where you live. That's a place. Hospital is a place where we go when we are sick. School is a place we go to study. Then what else? Can you tell me which are the other places? That's so many places, isn't it? Home, hospital, then school, isn't it? Yeah. Now we'll find out the names. First we found out the places. Now what is the next phrase? Ask persons. Yes. Persons means, what is it? Persons? Yes. Like teacher is a person. Doctor is a person. So let's find out which are the persons here. Yeah. Doctor. Then, yes, sister. Then, which is the other person here? Grandma. Grandma is a person, isn't it? Yes, grandma is a person. Then, peacock. Then, what else? Can you find anything else? Cat. So, all this you have to color it with green. Place you color in orange, and persons you color with green. Now you are going to find the names of things. Which are the things here? Yes, which are the things here? When you tell, bus is a thing. Aeroplane is a thing. Then table, bridge. All this you color in blue. So for names you color orange, then persons you color in green, and then yes, things in blue. Okay. Now let's come to the next session. It's a word given there. One word is given. The word is chocolate. Now it is now when you hear chocolate, you feel like having. Morning itself, I'm also wanting to have one chocolate. CHOCO, choco. Okay. Co and late. See, so many words you can make from this. Chocolate. I wrote here chocolate. Now from this, how many words you can make? Let me see. Yes, first we take the word here, late. You can write late, L-A-T-E, late. Late, L-A-T-E, late. So write there late. Then, yes, you can make cool. See here, C-O-O-L, cool. C-O-O-L, cool. Yes, you made a word, cool. Then what you can make? Yes, you can take H, Then there is A-T-E, hate, H-A-T-E, hate. This is how you build more words from one word. You can make so many other words. Okay. Now you'll take H-O-L-E, whole, H-O-L-E, whole, whole. See, there's a hole here. These are all holes on the cap. See, these are holes. H-O-L-E, hole. Now, how many more words? You can make a lot of words there. Whole. Now you can make C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. How many words we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make more words, okay? Late. So from chocolate we made late, cool, hate, whole, coat. C-O-A-T is coat. Coat means what we put over a shirt or any other garment. That is called coat. Now let's come to page number 40. Read the sentences. Grandma is to grandpa. That means the genders. Genders means male to female. Two different categories, two different groups. Male group and female group. Like boy, girl. Father, mother. Grandpa, grandma. Uncle, aunt. Okay. So now, grandma is to grandpa. As mother to father. Spectacles are to case as pillow is to pillowcase. Yeah. Spectacles. You know what is this? Yeah. To case. Case means, yes, spectacles are put in a case. And as pillow is to pillowcase. Pillow is put into the pillowcase. Okay. Leave all that. Now fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. That is on page number 40. Let us look into the help box. There's a help box given there with the words fly, student, hum, nest. The lion is to den, as pigeon is to, yes, pigeon. Where does the pigeon nest? Yes, it goes into the nest or into the den. No. Pigeon is to nest. So lion is in the den and pigeon is in the nest. So write down nest. Second one, tiger is to stripe. It has got stripes. As camel is to, camel has got a hump. Camel has a hump. Book is to dash, as piano is to musician. Book is what? What you can fill there? Book is used by whom? Yes, book is to student. Book is to student. So write there student. As piano is to, piano is a musical instrument. Next one, fourth one. Bird is to dash, as fish is to swim. Bird is to, yes, bird is to fly. Yes, bird is always flying and fish always swims. Now look at the pictures and complete the story. This you should do it. Okay, you see what the child is doing and see what the boy is doing and where is he looking. You must complete this. Will you? You must do that. Bina is crying, isn't it? First itself, you know, you can look at it, you can see Bina is crying. She lost what? When you look down, you know, she is holding a little doll. She lost a doll. She asked Aman to help her to look for it. He asked her, yeah, where did you leave the doll? Complete this. Let me see how smartly you can do it. And we just do the revision in the next class. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.